Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We are here in the lovely Albufeira New Town and we're going to do an updated pricing video for you. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. Right, so we're starting off at the top end, I believe. Super happy hour, so we've got €2.50 for a pint, cocktail €6.50, €3.50 for a wine, and $6 for a tall. And this is in this first one here, just give you guys a little tour of where we are. So that's happy hour, obviously it's going to change in the evening. I will do sort of like an evening one anyway. $14.90 for a steak. We're going to do one side and then we'll come back and do the other side, so do check out for the next video. So we're going down towards the roundabout. Got Amber performing at this one and then we'll come back the other side so you can see both sides of the strip. So again, you've got your happy hour, so till 10 p.m. Obviously if you're going to the old town it's a little bit earlier at 7, so 10 p.m. is quite good. Hope you guys can see the prices there. And you've got live acts as well tonight. So it's opening night tonight. We've got Freddie Mercury. Hello.
Too many steak options here.
Lovely.
Lots of choices. Proper steakhouse.
Proper steakhouse. And you got a lovely
Just
little
try one.
veranda.
Super food.
Oh, thank you very
Any
much.
kind of steak, fish, anything.
Anything. Thank you. So yeah, you heard that. Perfect steak. Got a nice little veranda there as well. Give you guys a little viewpoint. Angus Prime Steakhouse. But we're on a drinking mission. So I would say that Old Town is definitely cheaper than, New Town is definitely cheaper than Old Town. Make sure I get it correct. But they're both, I think they're sort of, we did Benidorm, you guys can make the decision yourself. It's getting harder and harder to find them really cheap places because everything is just going up with the way the world is. So is this cheaper than home? Probably. Are you going to have a better time? Yes. Is it necessarily the cheapest? Let's see. Let's see Wagwan. Hello. This place is getting a little refurb. This was open the other day, New Town, so I'm guessing it will be back open later. Again, they do the sort of typical cocktails and stuff. So this is sort of early evening. We're doing sort of a day walk because we get so many sort of like stag and Hindus here. So vodka Red Bull. Oh, hang on, my camera's gone funny. Give me 2 seconds. I'm going to turn it off and on again. Right. There we go. So vodka, Red Bull, €5, pint, 3 cocktails, and 3 shots. Not bad. Hello. We got the jungle, and then we're coming up to a little pharmacy there. Let's have a look. So cocktails. I mean, already compared to the Old Town, it's a lot cheaper. It's what, €7 to €10 on the Old Town. So if you are really on a budget and you do want something cheap, this is definitely the side of Albufeira to come out in. Mojo's, again, let's give you guys the prices. I'm walking on the shady side as well, so I'm looking forward to getting back to that sun. So you got the Grease Bar. Again, good prices. So vodka rum, gin, frozen daiquiri, €6, draft beer. You got Prony, which is a premium. Then you got your Carlin, Super Bucket, and a Guinness 6. Guinness. Hopefully the camera was. This camera is doing my nut in. Hang on. Doesn't want to play. 1 second. Right, so it's on me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep going. So the Blue Star. Happy hour, large beer, €3. And then you've got your daiquiri, strong brew, €5, €6.50. There you go. If you guys, this little concoction is not working for me today. This one is absolutely ginormous. Loads of seating. Gonna have to stop in a minute and sort this camera or gimbal out. The camera isn't the issue, it's the gimbal. It's got a mind of its own today. So we've got Legends, obviously quiet now, but we'll get busy later. And we'll do a little, there we go, so sports, pizza, burger, and the drinks are around the same price as the others. So you're not going to see too much of a variant. Hello. But you will see some sort of slightly different as we go on. Again, I'm not doing the other side, I'm just doing one side of the road. Just be careful as you walk down. Again, my camera is being annoying. Oh, it wants to come back onto me, of course. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to put in the comments if there's anything you want to see. All right, let's see if I can get this back to what you actually have tuned in for. Right, so we got large beer, €2. That's not bad. Might have to restart this. Just doing drink at the moment. I have to start this gimbal again, so apologies, but this has just been a bit of a nightmare. There we go. Right, so we got Crazy Hour, and this is at Simply. I'll show you after because the camera is being a nightmare. Welcome to the life of vlogging. But I can still talk, you can still sort of see, I presume. But yeah, I don't know what is going on with my gimbal. I just have to do a handheld. You might just have to look at me, which is not what you tuned in for. I do apologise. Right, so we got this one here, happy hour, pint €3, cocktail 6, which is quite reasonable actually. And this is Jam Music Bar. If I can get my gimbal to, there we go, actually focus on something that isn't me. So you've got a club that I don't think has been open since we've been here, but then could be mistaken, so we'll check that out sort of later on. So again, if you are interested in more of like the deals for the evening, I'm doing more of like the day stuff, the happy hour, obviously the drinks, some places stay relatively the same. But I will be doing quite a few night walks, so do check those out. So if you're interested on the pricing for the new season, what's going on, yeah, everything in between, there will be loads of footage, so do make sure you check it out. And if you are enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe, because it does honestly really make a huge difference to the channel and the work that me and my other half Kirk does. So my name's Sabrina, and we are both part of Wildfire Tours. So yeah, do check out the page. We've got loads of content. If you are just an Albufeira and you want to see Albufeira, we've got a whole Algarve playlist. If you want to see other destinations, we've got quite a lot in our catalogue now for you to have a little binge and decide where you want to go for your summer adventures, as we are now leaving autumn and winter. Not gonna lie, very happy about that. Right, I need to walk up the road without killing myself, so let me just quickly do that. During the busy times as well, this place gets a lot more quieter, busier. This road, I think it's closed. So at the moment it's fully open. Oh, car is following me. Right, we're going to cross over because we're doing this side. But yeah, that's where we've just come from. So we've got La Bamba, Sports Bar. A little bit more quieter this side. It's always the way everyone starts off the other side. So this is sort of like the, I suppose, the bottom. But during the summer and the sort of like real peak times, all of this will be rammed. So as you can see, this is closed at the moment. Got a little kebabby, but we're doing drinks. There we go. So we've got Cooper's. So they've got happy hour as well. Let's have a quick look. So yeah, happy hour, cocktails from 5, large beer €2.50. And then you've got all that lovely space. So you've got inside And then you've got the outside, you've got all the big screens. We actually did our soccer weekender here, so it's where we had the meet and greet. So do check that out if you're interested. There's also Soccer Mazza, which is going to be in Zante, May 21st to 25th. Very excited for that. So if you haven't already checked it out and you're interested, we have got content from last year. And on all of our socials, we've got ticket links and everything. So yeah, that's something you're interested in. Zante, Soccer, May. Get yourselves down there. Right, so we've just come to the end of the new town strip. So that was like a little price point for 2026, just to show you guys what to expect if you are fortunate enough to come out here this summer and have a nice time with your friends, family, or whoever it is. Don't forget to tune in to the rest of the content. I am going to do the other side of the strip. I am going to do Old Town, so if you want to see Old Town prices, and obviously we're going to do night videos as well, so you can see the vibe for the evening. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.